Hi, welcome to my channel, and this is my 68th tutorial in Excel. So today I'll show you the use form with multiple pages. This is a program in VBA which creates a use form that contains multiple pages, means the multiple functions it can do. And this also contains some images. I'll show you this with example. Now you are seeing a table with the names, age, gender and paintings. So if I select my favorite painting, enter a name and age, let me enter some age, gender, and under my favorite painting select the painting, something may mountain, sunset, beach or winter, anything. And make sure that these paintings I just saved in my C drive. Create one folder as test, just give that address in our code. I just saved these images and click OK. So whatever I entered, my values will come here. So now I'll show you how this is working background. So we all know that how to insert a use form. This is a use form, like we need to add a multiple page control, like when we create a use form like this, like insert use form, I shared this information in my previous session. Insert use form, and under the use form add the multi-page control, labels, text boxes. These are the text boxes and these are the labels, and this is a multi-page control, and option buttons for gender, and we need to name everything. So multi-page control, that is nothing but if we create a multi-page control by clicking on multi-page from the toolbox, you can drag a multi-page control to the use form. So when you arrive the gender frame, remember to draw this frame first before you place the two option buttons. Just draw this frame. So and click on this option buttons. So and go to this command button, just rename the command button to my favorite painting, and under the my favorite painting, under this command button you just add show use form. I have shared, hope you remember that I have shared in my previous session how to show a use form. Like just under the command button, this is the command button code, just use form show, means it will show the use form. And then go to Visual Basics. Here for the use form left drop down list, we need to initialize the values. These are the left drop down list values. So these are the items, means from the favorite tab we will get the list, that is mountains, sunset, beach, winter. We will initialize this, and we have now created the first part of the use form. So now we need to do whatever the value we enter, it has to take that. And also this one, this drop down list, if we click on mountains, it has to go to the mountain picture and it has to print the value. So printing will happen in this part, and to access the image it will go here. So this is accessing the image. So depending on the selected item it will display the image, and as I told you, I just saved the images in this location. If I select mountains, if list box 1.list index equals 0, 0 in the sense here, see this is 0 1 2 3 like this. So 0 means it has to go to mountains, and mountains means that will be 0 1 2 3. 0 means mountain picture, 1 means sunset, otherwise beach, otherwise winter, that will be displayed here. So now the printing means whatever the value we enter, that has to go and print here. So that will happen in this part. Now this is the code. So first we activate the sheet, and next we determine the empty row, and the variable empty row is first empty row and increases every time first empty row. So that value we are giving here, this empty row, determining the empty row, and it will increases every time a record is added. So next we transfer the information from use form to the specific column of empty row, and finally we close the use form. So these are the empty rows, means first empty row value will be go on, and next it will go to next row, next value, like that. So and here if option is true, then male, means we will enter the option buttons, male or female. So according to that it will display that value also, option button, and we will close the use form. And unload me is nothing but unloading, whatever we enter it will unload. So closing the use form is nothing but unload everything. Once we enter everything okay, then it will get unloaded if we press ok. So like this is the list. From this list it has to go to if statements which we are using here. Each image will get downloaded, and then from the values we enter it will display here. So this is how we can make this table using the use form. So this is the one example of use form. Previously I have shared the use form with only the single page use form, and here I just shared a multi-page in the sense, see, this is one page and this is one page. So we have a multi-page toolbar. Just click on that in the use form and enter it. If you want, let me show you once. This like this is the use form. So here we need to select the multi-page. Here somewhere it will be there. This is a frame, command button, this is multi-page. See, like this is page 1 and page 2, like this. So hope this information helps. Thanks for watching the video.